Which point on the graph tells you the amount of sugar you'll use if you don't make any pies? So, this is really a question about how well you understand how to read graphs. So, if you're looking at the number of pies, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see the line right next to the number. That's what we're going to follow to figure out how many cups of sugar we will use for that number. So, to make one pie, we'd use, let's see where it meets the line. And then we'd go to the left and see, okay, it looks like slightly less than 1 cup of sugar. One total cup of sugar. You can read it up on the side if you turn your head. Um, for 2 pies, we go up to it and we see, okay, that looks like probably about 1.5 cups of sugar right there. And then for 3 pies, we'd have to use a little more than 2 cups of sugar, looks like. And for 4 pies, it looks like we'll have to use exactly 3 cups of sugar. It's exactly right on that line. But for 0 pies, I purposefully did that one last. We go all the way over here, and we can't really make that arc. But there's only 1 0 right here, and what that means is that this 0 applies to both the total cups of sugar and both the number of pies. And this point is actually called 0, 0. So this is the right answer right here. Now, sometimes it won't have that. Sometimes it will have a 4 cups of sugar for 0 pies. But obviously, in the case of pies, if you're not going to make a pie, you don't need any ingredients. So you could probably have figured that out just with your logic. But we're learning how to read graphs, and that's why we make it harder.